which actually will be video of the flea market itself. If you're hungry or something, let me know, okay? You hear me, Nick?
Okay. You will leave, I might get something, okay?
Alright, Nick. I'll let Christopher buy it and then Mommy will give her the money. I only have really big bills. You hear me, Chris? Whatever you buy your brother. I gotta look, I might have something small. I saw something small. You know?
Might be the other one.
Right, I also have fresh PS2. I need a fat PS2. This is the kind of market for me to bring all my bikes over here and line them up. You know what I mean? You know?
Yeah.
This is the kind of market for me to bring. Watch where you go. Don't run anything over, please. Those chairs are cool.
Anthony here?
What?
Anthony here?
No, they're doing a garage sale somewhere.
Oh.
Let's go around one more time.
So we just went here just to go here?
Yeah. Tony's coming by the house. They're going to Florida on the 1st. So they're going to come by the house again. He's got a lot of stuff that he recently picked up. So they're going to stop by.
See him?
Yeah, you'll see him before they go to Florida. They want to see you too. Okay? Chris.